Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you a legit way to get a serious amount of money in Forza Horizon 6. A method that actually works, and trust me, it's not that boring AFK farm stuff or anything like that. Alright, so let's get into it. First things first, you're going to need your smartphone, whether it's Android or iOS. I'm using my iPhone for this example. Now, the key here is using a coupon code to get yourself some credits. These kinds of codes are actually pretty rare, so you gotta act fast if you want to snag one while they're still available. So let's break this down step by step. Start by heading over to this website called twistycoupons.com. Once you're there, you'll see they've got a bunch of coupons, but the one we're looking for is specifically for Forza Horizon. Just find it on the page. When you click on the code, it'll tell you that it needs to be redeemed on the Xbox website or Steam store. Now, here's the thing. The code itself isn't directly accessible right away. There's a little redemption process you need to go through. But don't worry, it's super easy. Just tap that button that says Show Coupon Code or something similar. At first it might look like the code is locked, but that's just part of the process. Now the next step is where you'll need to download 2 partner apps. But hey, these are legitimate apps from the App Store or Play Store, so it's totally safe. As you can see, when I click on one of these links, it redirects me straight to the App Store. Then, I just grab both apps. It's super simple, and it shouldn't take more than a minute. Once you've got those apps downloaded and installed, head back to the Twisty Coupons website. And guess what? The code is now unlocked, just like magic. From here, you can copy the code and head over to the Xbox website or Steam store to redeem it. After that, you're golden. So guys, I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and if you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. And if you enjoyed this, don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll be back with more tips and tricks. See you next time.